Well, now that's all art wants to do, I think. It wants to get to you, to break down the walls between us as people for a moment, to bring us together in a celebration, a ceremony, an entertainment, a mutual affirmation of understanding or of suffering or of joy. Therefore, I nastily oppose the notion that you can put art over here on a pedestal and entertainment down here in a clown suit. Art and entertainment are the same thing. The more deeply and genuinely entertaining a work is, the better art it is. To say that art is something heavy and dull and solemn and entertainment is modest but jolly and popular, that's neo-Victorianism, it's idiocy. Every artist is deeply serious and passionate about his work, and every artist also puts on a clown suit and capers for pennies. The fellows who put on the clown suit, but who don't care about performing well, they're neither entertainers nor artists. They're fakes. They know it, and we know it. They may be very popular briefly because they never frighten anybody. They reassure people by lying to them. But when the popularity blows over, the work's forgotten. What's left? You're left with a sort of a hollow place, a sense of waste, a realization that where something real could have been done, a good handsome clay pot or a good entertaining story, the chance was lost. We lost it. We accepted the fake, the plastic throwaway, when we could have held out for the real thing.